In this video, I will show you how to connect your wireless mouse to your laptop using USB receiver and also Bluetooth. So let's do it. First of all, on your mouse back side, you can see there have a option on off button. So you simply turn on your mouse. Right now, you just need to connect this USB receiver on your laptop. So here you can see I just connect it on my laptop. Right now, if I just play here, you can see my mouse is working perfectly. Right now, I'm just going to show you how can you connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, you just need to go on your laptop search bar and type here Bluetooth. So here you can see, right now open it. So after open, you just need to turn on Bluetooth and then tap add Bluetooth or other device, then select Bluetooth. Right now go on your mouse, and on the back side there have another button you can see. You just need to long press and change the Bluetooth mode. So after change the Bluetooth mode, you can see there have a pop-up notification uh, on your laptop. Here you can see there have a option connect. Simply select connect. Right now here you can see mouse paired. That means my mouse already ready for using. So here you can see right now my mouse already working perfectly. Here you can see. So in this way you can connect it. So I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching.